Guys, peace and love you guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, you know, all the stuff, man, all the stuff. Just do it for me, for Colo. It's hot in this car.
Well, get out of the car, dude. What are you doing in there? But what's going on, guys? That video was kind of all over the place. That's not my favorite video I've ever made, but it is what it is. So today we got the Jordan 1 patented Bred, and as you can see, the box is shiny. The shoe is shiny. I actually like the shiny box. That's a pretty cool little additive. I did these back then, and this was the first patented sneaker that I reviewed, and these fit okay. This was a 9.5. They fit okay, but today we got the Bred. Let's forget about those. We got the Bred. Little note there, and I went with the size 10. That's a half size up because the patent can be sort of restrictive. Man, I like that box for real. It can be kind of restrictive, and it's like you just want to go a half size up to play it safe. That's what I got to do. And today we're going to be comparing it to, what do you think? The Jordan 1 Bred, non-patented. And look at the box difference, man. It looks like the patent box is like, well, it obviously has a gloss finish. It doesn't look patented, but it's just dope. I like how they just kind of made it pop. And man, it's a hard choice. Well, it's an easy choice for a lot of you guys. And look how the patents even like kind of pulling the toe box up a little bit more. That looks pretty cool. I really like both of them. Look how dry the Bred regular looks. It just looks kind of dried up. You know, the patent actually looks cooler, but you know, not really over the Bred. But it just looks, you know, when you have them side by side, because I've never been able to have these side by side, so it's like, it looks pretty good. And these were just overall fun to film on camera. Like, look how they just pop. They're patented. They're shiny. The camera kind of reflects off of them pretty cool. It was just really fun to film this. Like, I'm just kind of looking at it right now. Like, dang, those are dope. It's like, which one do you like? That one? That one? Which one do you like? But they're dope, guys. And shout out to Wes, man. Wes sent me the Travis's. Man, I've been doing a lot of work for them, so shout out to those guys. They sent this little thing, right? I don't really, this is what I don't like. This is the only thing I don't like. It just is like, I don't know. It's kind of cheesy, but you know, Jordan brand always got to throw something up in there to kind of spice it up. Not really mad. Look at it. It just looks kind of weird. And it's not about it being UA. It just looks weird. We got family inside the shoe. That's dope. A nice little stitching part. I'll just show you that again. Nike Air on the tongue. That looks pretty good. Stitched up nice. The back of the tongue looks pretty good. That always looks pretty good. Some of them looks kind of like the text will be off-centered. The Bred's got white behind it. Different in the bottoms. Just a different shoe altogether. And the 10 actually fits like a 9.5. See, the Bred doesn't really even look that much smaller. Well, the Bred non-patent doesn't really look that smaller. You got red laces in there. I won't use those. So yeah, I went with a 10. And let's go ahead and see what we found under the black light. And under the black light, I didn't find anything. No stamps. Really no glue. And I think with the patent, it hides a little bit more. I mean, if it's bad stitching, you'll see it, but I'm going to save you some time. There was nothing on them. Yo, what is goody, guys? What is goodies, guys? You know what? I'm not even going to lie to you. The videos are starting to kick my butt right now. Like, the sellers are on my head. Like, literally, they're like, they're trying to make me like a full-time employee. And I'm like, no. I don't work for you. I just make a video for you. A little cool video with some, you know, some music and some jazzmatazz, maybe a couple jump kicks in here or that. But I don't work for you. But I will get it done just on my time. And that's how it goes. There's no contract saying I got to do this in X amount of days or a time frame. It gets done on my time, and that is that. And on a cooler note, we do have the Jordan Bred patent, and right away I like the sneaker. People were hating on it, saying I don't like it because it's going to crease, because it's patent. I totally get that, and I totally understand that. That's why I went a half size up, because the last time I got a patent sneaker, which was like that had zoom in it, it was gray. I went to Denver, and I think it's partly because of the zoom in it, but patent doesn't give. Patent does not give. So going a size up or even a half size up. No, not a full size up, half size up. Go a half size up in any Jordan 1 that's patent. And to me, because it's a Bred colorway, it's gonna look good. And I just think it looks dope because it's different. And I'm not really a hater on patent. I like patent. You know, the Jordan 11 patented 11 is, you know, that's my joint. Pace is critical for all you guys that want to review sneakers. And I'm like, what the heck was that, man? And I'm not even saying like UA sneakers, just sneakers or anything in general that you get sent. Just make sure that you do it on your time. That's my advice because, man, I'm telling you right now, I don't even want to open up the Instagram app. I see those messages like boom, boom, boom. I'm like, hell no. I'm like, nah, man, I'm about to go eat some Cheerios or something, man. I'm not going to do this today. But I will make the video. I have never not made a video. I might not put no information in the description, but that's different. I'm not doing that either. I always make the video, and they know that, so I don't know why they keep bothering me anyway. These are dope, man. I don't care what nobody says. The patented Bred ones are fire. Sorry, actually not even close to being sorry. They're dope. And the thing is, I probably won't even wear these to the point where they'll even crease. Like, mine will probably never crease. And you know I always do my trusty crease test is I actually crease my shoes, unlike some of you guys don't. Wear those like little shoe guards and all that. I get it.